Hello, doers, and welcome back. Today we're discussing how AI can help assign tasks to the right employee. Here at Stealthywood, we handle many projects from custom office interiors to outdoor public seating and everything in between. Today, we're going to focus on one project to create a custom outdoor employee break area for Candy Corp, including seating, tables, and even a candy sculpture. Projects like our Candy Corp break area involve assigning a wide range of tasks, including design, applying for permits, scheduling, procurement, metalwork, painting, and final installation. Before those assignments were made manually, which was essentially very, very time consuming with a team as large and diverse as ours. Our project managers need to know, for example, which employees are certified to operate heavy machinery, have the engineering knowledge to design and build safe seating, and who has experience with weatherproof finishes, and who's even licensed to transport and install oversized items. And finally, who knows all the permits that we need to get so that we're in compliance with all local laws and regulations? If we assign a task to the wrong employee, we risk delays, rework, or OSHA violations. Or even worse, we could be forced to cease all activities on the project until we get our paperwork and licensing in order, increasing our overall budget, and we're missing that deadline. So today, we're going to learn how AI can help us assign tasks based on employee skills. So, what exactly are the benefits of using AI for assigning tasks? On average, employee productivity increases by 20 to 30%, with each employee saving an average of 20 hours per month. Project delivery timelines as well can be sped up by 25 to 30%, while cutting administrative time by up to 35%. This happens because we're not losing time reassigning tasks or having underqualified employees attempt to work on a task that is beyond their capabilities. This allows all employees to focus more on the work they're skilled at. But enough chit chat, let's hop into our database and see how it works. Since we are going to be doing some cool configurations with Studio, we need to be in developer mode. So to do that, I'm going to open up our settings, scroll to the very bottom and select activate the developer mode. Perfect, we're all set up now. Now, I think it's time for us to go into our projects application. Let's open up our Candy Corp project over here. And I can actually immediately tell that nobody has been assigned to the task in the new stage, while all of these other stages have people assigned to them. I can tell because the employee's icon appears in the bottom right, indicated they're assigned to the task. Looking at, we have safety testing custom furniture. We have both Jimmy and Gregory assigned to it. We can see that just by hovering them. But if I look over here at our installation, metal candy sculpture, would you look at that? I need to assign it. So how do we fix that? Well, let's create an automation that will assign new tasks to the right employee, as we talked about earlier. I want to create a steering AI action. What that means is once a task moves to the assigned stage that we have over here, the AI will check the task, decide what the task needs, and determine who can do it and assign them to the task. So to do that, over here on our project Kanban, I'm going to open up Studio by selecting it in the top right corner, and immediately we're going to select Automations and New. Basically, this is where we're going to make all of this Odoo AI magic happen. So first off, let's enter a name for this. We're going to do Smart Task Assignment with AI. I like that a lot. Perfect. So up next, I need a trigger for this. And a trigger is what causes this automation to start. So for the first drop-down field, I'm going to select Stages Set To. And then the second one, remember, I mentioned Assigned. And we're doing this because the AI knows to perform the automation when a task is moved to the assigned stage. Perfect. With that all set up, we can get started because now we need to add an action in the Actions to Do tab below. So let's select Add an Action. All right, here's where we're going to create it. So the very first thing I need to type for this one is, well, a name. Update assignees with AI. Great. I'm going to set the type to Update Record. And well, it's going to ask us to select something from our first field. And that first field that has appeared below, we're going to select Update with AI. And now we must select a second field. And for this one, you guessed it, assignees. Great. Now, I'm going to need to copy over some text to save us a bit of time, Odooers. It's actually going to be everything that we need over here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, everything looks good to go. Just doing a couple spaces there. All right, I need to enter the specific instructions for the AI in this field. Now, after I've pasted everything that I already wrote, I need to make modifications to the text. So let's start with the very first one that I see over here up at the top. So it mentions a display name. This is the first one we need to change. So we're going to highlight it entirely and do a backslash. Now we're going to do field selector. And for this one, I want you to start typing in display and display name and insert. Boom. Would you look at that? It's already changed it for us right away. Now I need to map out some of these employees that I mentioned. So let's highlight Maggie Davidson entirely right there. And once again, we're going to do a backslash. And then this time we're going to do record selector. And for this one, I'm going to type in Maggie. We got her showing up right there. And we're going to insert her. Perfect. I'm going to repeat this for the next names. All right, I went ahead and saved us some time and changed everything that needed to be changed, but I've already shown you some of those examples. So inside of this tutorial, I am only adding our 2 installation employees and 1 delivery employee. And I'm calling out their specific skills. If I wanted to, I could add more employees and more skills depending on my company's needs. Lastly, as you know, and you can see now, I've also changed the 2 display names in our instruction section below. Now you're asking yourself, well, what is an instruction section? Well, the instructions at the bottom half of the text explain to the AI what exactly to do. The first step basically tells it to read what's written in the display name and find the best matching employee, as you could tell. And the second step says to assign the employee if the skill matches what's needed. And the last step reminds it that only 1 employee should be assigned for each task. Up next, I'm going to select Save and Close over here, and then manually save for our nice automation. Boom. Now that we're done, I'm going to close up Studio by selecting it in the top right corner. And, well, it's time for us to see it in action. I'm still on our Candy Corp project. I'm going to actually click and drag our nice little delivery, furniture, and sculpture task over here. And, ooh, just like that, I can see an icon appear in the lower right corner. Nate Parker, would you look at that? Exactly the employee it was supposed to be assigned to this. Let's open up our nice little task right there. And look at that. Just like I promised, Nate Parker is assigned to this task since he has the required skills, namely delivering our custom metal products. And there you have it. We learned how to use AI to automatically assign tasks to the qualified employees with the right skills. No more incorrectly assigned tasks, so doers, and those can cause managers to rework schedules and assignments, adding unnecessary delays. Now managers can use their time on high-level activities instead of administrative tasks. With properly assigned tasks, projects can be completed on time, which means happy customers. But the positive effects don't end with project managers. Human resources, let's talk about them. They can rest easy with a workforce that has updated skills, and knowledge gaps can be addressed. Efficiently assigned tasks help the overall bottom line, which means yours and my finance team are happy. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials about AI and projects so that you have all the knowledge to move your team forward efficiently. That's it for today, Odoo. See you in the next one.